Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can trade your players in FIFA Mobile. Now unfortunately there isn't a trading mechanism into FIFA Mobile the same as exchanging players with your friends. So of course you're going to have to use the traditional manual method. You have to find to trade your players with a person that you want. You have to find a player that is about the same value, and all you're going to do is put the maximum coin leverage with him. So let's say I want to go into the market section and I want to sell, for example, Havertz. I'm going to go into the my player section and I'm going to choose, let's say, Major, for example. Okay, let's say I want him at the highest price of 230,000. So I'm going to sell and I'm going to put him at 230,000. The person that I want to trade needs to do the exact same thing and find someone within this lowest price to highest price pool. And all we got to do is find the exact same player with our name, and we buy the players, and then that means we've just traded our players. Okay, now of course it is going to take a bit of time to do this, but there isn't unfortunately other way in order to transfer players from one account to another. Unfortunately, you're going to have to sell an exact player or an exact coin amount for someone else to buy it, and then of course you can get that player from them as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.